This is Rose, and this is my first ever assistant, Pikachu!
Hey.
He is ginormous on me. As you can see, this is my first ever video. So, I would like to do an unboxing video. So, I am also gonna be unboxing 4 things in one video. So this is gonna be interesting. So, my name is Rose, and this is Pikachu, and I am ready to unbox. Now, before I get to the video, I would like about 1 million subscribers to this channel for Rosiecorn. And to make it up for the delay and people who don't want to subscribe, if they subscribe, write #Rose and write me feedback and give me a like, they get a prize. Now, all you need to do is to enter the challenge is first subscribe, like, write #Rose, and write me feedback, and that's all you need to get into this to get a winning start. Now, there's also going to be likes. I would like about 5 million likes. Now, let's get on to the video. So guys, after the intro, I got to show you my toy that I bought. So, this is a Disney Adorables. There could be 5, 6, or 7 figures inside. I also got a Num Num Stippers. It changes color. Ooh. Also, I would also like to show you my Little Woozy babies. You could find twins in them little kids. And last of all, I have a Little Woozy bobbleheads in this acorn. I can also find the legendary one. Let's see. I will start with my smallest one, Little Woodsies. So, see, it's easy to open and it's off. Let's see who I got. Ooh, it's a little frog. I wonder who it's named. Let me see. So this is the collector's guide, and what I have is I have Flip Flop. Flip Flop, the frog. So let's open it up. Bubble, 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 bubble. This is really fun and really soft, oddly. Really soft. So it is very fun to play with these. You can get them at Target, Walmart, or anywhere that sells toys. Toys R Us. Rest in peace. Anyways, let's get on to the next toy. Toy is the Little Woodsy babies. So let's open them up. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh my goodness. So in my crib is a little blind bag. As you see, the little baby is in here. So, let's get opening. Ooh, I can see this bottle through. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's an opening. Oh, it's so fun. So, it looks like we have this little cute little cow. So no twins, but a little bottle. Let's see who we got. Here is, let me see. I got Deb, a cow. Really cute. So let's put her back in her crib with the little hat And let's get on to the next toy. Our next toy we got here is Series 2 Num Nums Dippers. Now, let's open them. Ooh, Dunk Surprise. Dunk Dipper Surprise. The refrigerator first. Don't eat. Of course, you can't eat them. Now, we first need... Ooh, smells good. I wonder who I got. Oh my goodness. So let's get on. Dribbles. Ooh, really good smell. Let's see. I've got first a little kitty cat. And the second is a little monkey. How adorable. These two look adorable together. Now, time to put them on. Now you can put them. I got these from Walmart and they are so adorable. So adorable. Anyways, let's dunk them and see what's surprised. It smells weird. Let me see how you work this. So the instructions say that the dipping is first there's 3 characters. Okay, yada 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 yada. Okay. So I have in here is this quick snackables, but let's see how it works. I figured out I did something wrong. I'm supposed to freeze it then for 30 minutes. So I'll be back after putting it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Anyways, these adorables. Ooh, they're 87 to collect. Interesting. So let's open these bad boys up and see what's inside the store. So, let's see. Okay. First I do these. And then take this out. Then I also take another this. And then I take this out. Ooh, cool little dies. So these are very interesting. So let's see. Behind every door is stored. So which one? So rare. Okay, common. Okay, let's open these bad boys up. Let me open this door. Oh, there's some pink in there. Now, good thing I have my scissors nearby whenever I need them. So let's cut these out. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. Anyways, who did I got today? Let me see. Ooh, I got Jimmy the Cricket. I got an ultra rare. Ooh, this is sparkly. And these little cuties are really cute. Now time to open the next door. So, let's see how to... Let's open this door. It's another door full of magic. And then I got... Ooh, I have it really small. I got... Oh, this is really fuzzy. Who did I get from here? Super fuzzy, so it happens. Aw, Winnie the Pooh. I got Heffalump. So soft. So I got 2 out so far. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And let's open the next door. I hope I get Moana or Stitch. Stitch looks adorable. So let's open these like that. Cut. Let's see, another small one. I have a feeling it's gonna be. Ooh, this is from Zootopia. Let's see. Zootopia. Aha, Zootopia. I got Flash from Zootopia. Now, I have 2 doors left. I think I'll open the smaller one. This door is also filled with magic. Let's see who I got here. Ooh, it feels a bit bigger or thicker. Who did I get? Why, I got little Anna. These are adorable. So, I have many to share with you. Now, time for the ginormous door. But it has a smaller surprise inside. Ooh. Let's see who I got. Who did I get? I got Silly from Monsters, Inc. So, I'll put these in order. Cotton. Let's see who this guy is. So let's see. Order them in order is easy. So Anna's a common. And then Flash is also a common. And let's see who Sully belongs to, which is from Monsters Inc. Oops. It was Monsters Inc. I got him. He's a rare. Let's see who this little guy is with here. Ooh, he's super rare. And let's see Pinocchio. He is a blue. So here. And then the last one, adorable. Common, rare, ultra rare, and special edition. These are really cute. Oh yeah, I'm missing a limited edition. So these adorable cuties. Write in the comments below to see which one's your favorite. The Num Nums, the little Woodsy babies, or the little Woodsy bobbleheads. Now, so for me so we'll have a part 2 continuing these Num Nums. So, see you later. Have a very magical day. See ya!